Hi, my name is Ali Haynes and I've been an audio recording engineer since December of 1987. This is my facility, the Pakistani boarding house. It's based around the Yamaha DM2000 console with some KRK monitoring, and I use Cubase as a main recording medium in the studio with IZ Corp Radar 24 Nyquist converters to get the data in via optical lines. System between the computer and the mixing console. I'm running 64 channels of MADI in and out, so that's a total of 128 channels. My main source of income is basically live recording. There's a lot of work being done in the studio, but apart from nearly 600 albums which I've recorded and sometimes arranged and produced, I've now done 99 projects which were mixed in 5.1 for DVD release. I'll be posting a blog on YouTube from my various concert recordings that I'm doing, of which the first one will be this coming Sunday, which is 2 days from now, which will be a concert recording with the Johannesburg Philharmonic Orchestra and some choirs in a place 400 kilometers from here called Mabatu. It is the community center there, and it will basically be choirs and soloists from that area. The control room here at the Pakistani boarding house has been built and designed around KRK monitoring for 5.1 mixing. This is the rack of outboard basic software and the computer, and then this is the mixing console, Yamaha DM2000. Out here is the machine room, which at the moment is just a machine that I use for importing some data into the computer, which is in that rack over there. This is the recording space of the Pakistani boarding house, which is quite nice. It's got a 5-meter high ceiling with a lot of real daylight coming in, and then there's a staircase going up there towards 2 isolation rooms from which you can look down into the big studio. You can have a drummer playing here, and then you can have a guitarist up there. They've got line of sight. Everybody can see each other and still be isolated. This is the view from the studio into the control room over there, and then as you can see at the back of the control room there's a very, very nice big window looking out into the garden. Here's a pair of Stratocasters waiting to be used. An original 1973, September 1973, dated on the internet for the serial number Sunburst 1973 Strat, and that is a 1994 pre-CBS reissue. This is what the view from the control room out into the garden is. It's very nice to work here. Nobody ever seems to be getting tired. So until Sunday morning, when I'll be reporting from Mabatu and the orchestra and the choirs there, this is the end of my first blog, and I'll speak to you soon. This is Ali Haynes. Bye bye.